Hello friends, today's lecture is based on division Cyanophyta. As you all are know that division Cyanophyta is one of the important division in group algae. Okay, using this presentation, we are trying to understand the distinguishing characteristic of this division Cyanophyta. The number of genera and species of Cyanophyta. There are about 160 genera and 1500 species of Cyanophyta occurs all over the world. From that, in India, this division is represented by 98 genera and 833 species. The members or algae belong to division Cyanophyta or belong to class Cyanophyceae are commonly known as blue green algae or BGA. BGA is the most famous short form of blue green algae. Now the distribution of blue green algae or distribution of Cyanophyta members, occurrence, distribution or habitat, whatever may be. The blue green algae are found in wide variety of habitats. They can majority they are grows in fresh water, then some are marine, okay, some are terrestrial, some are causes symbiotic association with the different lower plants as well as the higher plants, etc. Now first point, most of the species are freshwater, means they can grow in the freshwater bodies. A very few like Dermocarpa and Trichodesmium are the marine, and very few members are growing in the saline water or marine water. Number small b. Species of Nostoc and Oscillatoria are found in terrestrial habitats, means these two members having the terrestrial habitats. Okay. Some species of Nostoc and Anabina grow as endophytes. Endophytes means grows the which organism grows inside the body of the plant called as the endophytes. Okay. Some species of Nostoc and Anabina grow as endophytes in roots of Cycas. Cycas is the most common example of gymnosperms. Roots, leaves of the Azolla, then thallus of the Anthoceros. Then last one, species of the Crucoccus, Glyocapsa, Nostoc, Cytonema and Stygonema are the main algal component of lichens. As you know that lichen is the symbiotic association of an alga and fungus. In between, in them, the algal partner is called as the phycobiont and fungal partner is called as the mycobiont, and many alga from division Cyanophyta included or causes symbiotic association with the algae and forms the lichen thallus. Next characteristic. The members of Cyanophyta are unicellular, example Crucoccus. They may be colonial, example Glyocapsa, or form chains of cells. The chain of the filaments are called as the trichomes, example Oscillatoria. Okay. Number 6. In colonial forms, all cells of a colony occur in a common gelatinous matrix. Then this is one of the important characteristic of this group. The filaments or trichomes or these colonies are covered by the gelatinous sheath or matrix or covering. Number 7. In filamentous forms, the filaments are usually unbranched. Whatever the filamentous members present in the Cyanophyta, that filaments usually generally unbranched and uniseriate. Uniseriate means they can be made by the single row of the cells. Example Anabina and Nostoc. Or may sometimes show pseudo branching. They also shows pseudo branching. For example, for example Cytonema. These algae do not have flagella and their movement is brought about by gliding action. Gliding, they do not, the flagella is absent throughout the life cycle of these algae, so they are non-flagellated. Then their movement is called as the, or that movement is called as the gliding action. Gliding means very slowly movement. Then next, the main photosynthetic pigment is a bluish green C-phycocyanin. This is the main photosynthetic pigment. They also contain, these algae also contain chlorophyll A, beta carotene and C-phycoerythrin. So these are the major photosynthetic pigments of the Cyanophyta members. Next, cells shows typical prokaryotic nature. As you know that all algae are the eukaryotic except Cyanophyta, or Cyanophyceae or Cyanophyta algae are the prokaryotic algae, so that they also considered as a cyanobacteria. Due to bacterial cell structure, previously they are considered under the kingdom Monera, but now they are considered as a blue-green algae or prokaryotic algae. Number 11. The cell wall is composed of mucopeptide. Generally in eukaryotic cells, cell wall is the cellulosic, but in case of this prokaryotic cell, blue-green algae cells, their cell wall composition is the mucopeptide. Next point, the reservoir food material is a special type of starch. Reservoir food material is, in case of general algae or green algae, the photosynthetic pigment is the polysaccharides or starch or carbohydrates, but here special type of food material is present, that is the cyanophycean starch, or if present in the form of protein, that protein is considered as or called as the cyanophycean granules. Next point, in some blue-green algae, specialized structures known as heterocysts are present. Heterocysts are very famous as they are present in the Cyanophyta, or Cyanophyta members' typical identity is that the heterocysts are present. They are useful in fix the atmospheric nitrogen. They are useful in fix the atmospheric nitrogen. So many members used as a biofertilizers in agricultural fields. Okay, due to their ability to fix the atmospheric nitrogen, so they can largely used as a biofertilizers. Next point, reproduction takes place by vegetative and asexual methods. Vegetative and asexual methods, only these two types of reproductions are present in the Cyanophyta. Next point, sex organs and bisexual zoospores are totally absent. Sex organs are absent, so there is no need to discuss their reproductive organs, antheridia, then oogonia, whatever may be. Then bisexual zoospores are totally absent. Then number 16, vegetative reproduction takes place by cell division, that is the regular mitosis cell division. Then fragmentation. Fragmentation used, as you know that this is the most common vegetative reproduction present in the filamentous alga. Suppose accidentally the filament is cut into small pieces, that small piece is having ability to regenerate, or it forms the new individual thallus, so that is the fragmentation. And hormogonia. Hormogonia are the vegetative cells, they are directly developed on the vegetative thallus, means filaments. Okay. Next point, asexual reproduction takes place by akinets. These then the endospores, then exospores, then heterocysts, and the last one is the monocytes. These all cells are the non-flagellated cells, non-motile cells, or these all spores are the non-motile spores. Okay, and these spores are developed asexually by the cyanophyta algae, and they causes the asexual reproduction. And akinets, then heterocyst, these are the most common examples of the asexual spores in the blue-green algae. Then number 18, cyanophyta division. This division contain single class, that is the Cyanophyceae. Okay, so only one class included under this division, that is the Cyanophyceae. In this way, these are the this is the introduction of division Cyanophyta in group algae. Thank you.